Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. With the upcoming 4th of July holiday just around the corner, I thought it would be the perfect time to make a batch of jalapeno cheddar potato salad. The ingredients I'm going to be using today are 1.5 pounds of baby yellow potatoes that I've washed thoroughly and then I've sliced each one of them in half, 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese that I've grated, half of a cup of sliced green onions, half of a jar or roughly 1/3 of a cup of pickled jalapenos, 7 slices of bacon that I went ahead and crisped up and then chopped into bite-sized pieces. And then I've divided some of this into toppings versus what's going to be going into the salad part itself. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 4 ounces of cream cheese that I've softened to room temperature, half of a cup of Duke's mayo if you can find it. If not, your favorite mayonnaise will work here just as well, and a little bit of salt and pepper. These are all our ingredients, so let's go ahead and start bringing our dish together. And the first thing I'm going to do is transfer my potatoes into a heavy bottomed pot where I'm going to cover this with cold water and set them over on the stove to boil for about 18 minutes or until they're fork tender. Now that I have the potatoes over on the stove, I'm going to go ahead and start bringing the dressing together, starting by adding my cream cheese into my bowl and my half of a cup of Duke's mayo. I just want to whisk these until the cream cheese is thoroughly combined with the mayo. Once you have those 2 ingredients combined, go ahead and add in the garlic powder, the white wine vinegar, good pinch of salt, and as much black pepper as you like. Once I get these ingredients thoroughly combined, I'm going to set this into the refrigerator and allow it to start chilling down while I wait for the potatoes to cook. Once the potatoes were done cooking, I went ahead and drained them off and allowed them to sit on the counter until they reached room temperature. Now all we need to do is finish assembling the rest of our salad, starting with our jalapenos, the bacon, and our green onions. And of course we can't forget our cheddar cheese. I think that's going to be plenty. I still have a little extra just in case. And the next thing to go on is going to be the dressing. And then very gently I'm going to stir this all together. After the potato salad is completely mixed together, go ahead and transfer it into your favorite serving bowl. And all we have left to do is top it with our toppings, which are our remaining ingredients. So I'll start off with the cheese, followed by a little bit more of our bacon, the jalapenos, and finally our green onions. All we have left to do now is try it out and see what I think about it. Make sure I get a good bite of everything here. I think this just became my new favorite potato salad. Love all the flavors going on in here. I am quite a big fan of jalapeno poppers, and this kind of gives me a little bit of that vibe. Love, love, love the vinegariness of the dressing. It goes so well with those pickled jalapenos. Overall, yeah, I will be making this dish quite a bit. Alright guys, well, that is going to be it for me for the day. I hope you all have a very happy 4th of July or whatever holiday you choose to make this dish for. If you guys do try this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And if you've enjoyed the content I've provided today, please leave me a comment down below and hit that like button. It truly does help out the channel. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.